Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today I will do a demo on how to put an interactive Power BI dashboard with DAX function, which are sum and total year to date. We will also calculate the gross profit and add data slicer and clustered column chart on the dashboard. This is our data, so we're going to be loading this sales data, and we're going to have a selling price and buying price, and I'll work out what is the gross profit. So we go to the Excel, sales is my name of the data. In case you don't find the name of your data from your desktop here, you just need to click here, that button there, and then you should be able to see all your files here. So mine is called the sales dummy data. Open it, and that is the data which we will load to our Power BI or import. So for now we're not going to transform it, but I'll talk more about this on the other video. So I'm just going to load it. This is going to be exactly this data here. Okay, our data is loaded, so we can go to the data and have a look what we have loaded, and that's all our data. So again, we click report, we go back, we go to our visualization here, and then we click table, so we can see what fields we have loaded. So this is our table, and these are all our fields here. So we want to load the name of the territory, and we want to add buying price and selling price. And very quickly we can see what's the difference between buying price and selling price, because we can see the totals there. Okay, what we can do, we can make it a little bit bigger. So we go to the column headers, make it 15. And again, this is just a quick demo for you so that you can see what I'm doing and you can try to repeat the same. Then we're gonna go to the values and make this value a little bit bigger. So values, let's make it 12 for now. And then we can go to the style and do alternating rows. That's better that way. And then what we can do now, we can Control C, Control V, so that's copy paste. And then we bring our clustered chart, same data, and you can see very quickly we have transformed this data to cluster chart. So what we need now to do, we need to do a sum of these sales and buying price. So we're gonna use this sum function, and this is TS for the total sales. Let's do that. So we go here, we bring a new measure, TS for total sales, and the total sales, the function is sum. We are doing sum, our column. So we first of all go with our table is a sales, that's our table there. And then we need our column, which is a selling price. So this is our selling price. We bring our column there, which is there. Then you close the bracket. Because this bracket is open, we need to close it. You can format it a little bit, so enter, and it becomes more easier to read. Once you're happy with that, we commit, and that now we can bring a card here. So this is called a card. We click card. We just resize it by clicking that and clicking those edges to make it smaller. And then we want to bring our measure. Anything with a calculator is a measure. Okay, so that is our total sales there, and it's exactly the same, and it's exactly the same here. If we add all these together, it's gonna show 232 million there. Okay, so we go back again and we do total sales for the buying price. So we create a new measure, BP for buying price, and we want to do a sum. And again, that's our table name, and you can see this is a table, and the edge, this is a column. So that's our table, and now we need a column name, and our column name is called buying price. So that's a buying price there column, and we are doing sum of everything. So we click, once you're happy with that, again we bring a card from visualization, we click the card, resize it, make it smaller, and you can see we got the arrows which help us to resize the card. So we bring it that side, bring it this way. Okay, and then we click our buying price there. So that's our buying price, and that's our selling price. So you can see very easily, once we want to calculate our gross profit, it's very easy, because we just need to minus our that, which is our selling price, as a buying price. I will rename it as a selling price SP. Enter. and become SP. Change the name of the measure the way you want it. So selling price, so what you need to minus selling price and minus buying price, so we can get our gross profit. So we create a new measure. We call it gross profit, GP, and we just need now to take our selling price, which is SP, and you can see now you can be able to call our measure, and we want to minus buying price, which is BP, and that's our BP there. And then we click that. Once we're happy with that, that's the calculation is done. Then what we can do now, we can bring the card to show us the gross profit. So that's our gross profit. Again, we click the card there, gross profit, and you can see that's exactly, if you add 18 million plus 14, you get 32. So this is being loaded up here. So that is exactly our gross profit. So what we can do very, very quickly now, we can bring a slicer so that we can be able to slice the data according to the country. So we bring, that's a slicer. So we click the slicer there. And then we bring, let's enlarge this data a little bit. So we bring this one on the left hand side, and we bring our slicer there. And then we want to slice the data with the country or territory. So we make sure this is highlighted. Then we go to the field we want to bring. It's called sales territory. As you can see now, that's our sales territory there. So we can slice the data. Let's say, for example, UK. You can see how UK is doing, and that's the profit for the UK. And that is what they are selling. Again, what we can do here, we can bring gross profit here on that column. We can just drag it and we'll be fine. And it will give us exactly the same thing, 1.999. So that is how to create a quick dashboard showing the gross profit, where we have calculated the buying price total and selling price. We got the gross profit, and we've been able to size the data. So once you're happy with that, you just give the dashboard the name. Let's see. Okay, we go there, and you can see we can play with the dashboard. I'll continue more in this with the dashboards development as we continue with the study. But that is a very, very quick way of to slice your data, using Power BI. And you can see this is better to play with because Excel, you can do the same thing, but this is easier to manipulate, and you can automate the data. So every time you load your data, this will update automatically, no problem here. So once we're happy with that, we just publish that and we share with our team. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, and to subscribe. Bye.